Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Ferrari LaFerrari diecast car. So here it is, this 2012 Ferrari LaFerrari. Look at this what does that say? Hold up, let me just take a closer. Hold up. It says TY models. Wow, this thing looks actually pretty good. So let's put it on here and take a little look at this car. So guys, if we take a look at this car, I really love the ruby red that's on this car. So pretty cool. And also the back of the car, pretty cool design on the engine. And also some headlights and also the muffler on it. Pretty cool. It has some nice chrome rims on it. Has a Ferrari logo on the front, and man, this thing looks nice. The door is also open, so go take a little look inside of here. It's the interior. Camera's feels a little blurry. Okay, there we go. Let's take a look inside. Just pop it on here. It says, man, this thing looks actually pretty good. Oh man, the camera's kind of blurry. So there you go. I don't really got much to say about this car, but it's pretty cool. Nice headlights on it. Very nice design. I think the door is kind of... It's kind of weird the doors open like this on the LaFerrari. But yeah. And on the bottom, it doesn't really say anything. I think it has... Oh yeah, it has a battery. Don't have one right now, but still. There you go. 2012 Ferrari LaFerrari. So guys, I have nothing really else to say about this car. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. Check down links to the link in the description down below. But yeah guys, have a good day, and yeah, bye. Alright, bye bye.